All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
Chinese Defense Minister Dong Jun is under investigation for corruption, as reported by the British newspaper The Financial Times. This makes him the third consecutive Chinese defense minister to face corruption allegations, dealing a significant blow to President Xi Jinping's military modernization ambitions. Chinese Defense Minister Dong Jun is reportedly under investigation for corruption as part of the Communist Party's ongoing anti-graft campaign within the military. According to the British Daily, which cited US officials familiar with the matter, Admiral Dong is being scrutinized as part of a broader probe into corruption within the People's Liberation Army, PLA. The Chinese Foreign Ministry dismissed the claims on Wednesday, calling them just shadow chasing. Despite these denials, the reported investigation into Admiral Dong highlights growing scrutiny within China's military leadership, as two of his predecessors are facing corruption allegations. Dong is the third consecutive defense minister to be targeted, with predecessors Wei Fenghe and Li Shangfu already expelled from the Communist Party and under investigation for accepting bribes. Admiral Dong under scrutiny. Admiral Dong Jun, ensnared by President X's sweeping anti-graft campaign in the People's Liberation Army, PLA, is reportedly under investigation, according to US officials cited by the Financial Times. However, the specific allegations remain unclear, and Admiral Dong has not publicly addressed these claims. Admiral Dong, a former PLA Navy chief, was last seen internationally on 21 November, when he delivered a speech at the 11th ASEAN Defense Ministers meeting in Laos. There, he declined a meeting with US Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin, citing ongoing tensions over Taiwan. Austin expressed disappointment, noting that Dong had recently played a key role in improving military relations between the US and China, with the two nations holding commander-level talks for the first time in September this year. While in Laos, Admiral Dong engaged with defense leaders from New Zealand, India, Malaysia, and ASEAN's Secretary-General. However, earlier this year, Dong was not appointed to the Central Military Commission, CMC, China's top military decision-making body, in an unusual development that has raised questions about his tenure. Pattern of corruption scandals in China's military. If true, Admiral Dong Jun will become the third consecutive defense minister to face corruption allegations, highlighting an intensifying anti-corruption campaign within China's military. Before Wei Fenghe served as defense minister for 5 years but was similarly accused of abusing his position to secure improper benefits in personnel arrangements. Both Wei and Li are expected to face prosecution in what is becoming one of the most significant corruption scandals to hit the People's Liberation Army, PLA. Notably, Wei previously led the PLA Rocket Force, while Li oversaw advanced weapons development, including missile systems. The Rocket Force itself has been under scrutiny, with its former Chief and Chief of Staff expelled and investigated in July 2023. The crackdown has extended to state-owned defense enterprises, with 3 senior officials from missile defense organizations removed from their positions in December 2023. Xi Jinping's anti-corruption drive in the military. Since taking power, Chinese President Xi Jinping has solidified his authority with a historic third term, positioning himself as the most powerful leader since Mao Zedong. However, his regime faces significant challenges, including a surge of corruption within both the military and party ranks. 11's anti-corruption campaign, launched in 2012, was initially perceived as a drive for clean governance. However, critics argue it has become a tool for eliminating political rivals and consolidating personal power. 11's crackdown on corrupt generals aligns with his broader goal of transforming the People's Liberation Army, PLA, into a world-class, loyal military force. Speaking at a Central Military Commission political work conference, he cited deep-seated problems within the PLA, stressing the need for soul-searching reflections and earnest rectifications. He also emphasized The gun barrels should always be in the hands of those who are loyal and reliable to the party, and there must be no place for corrupt elements to hide in the military. 11's campaign underscores his determination to align the PLA with the Communist Party's vision while eliminating corruption and dissent. However, the extent of the crackdown highlights the deep challenges he faces in reforming China's military-industrial complex.